Hey guys, welcome back. Today, I've done something a little bit dangerous. I've gone shopping for fall. If you're new here, my name is RJ. And if you're interested in discussions, DIYs, and ideas on everything home decor, hit that subscription button and that notification bell and join me here at RJ's Homestyle. All right, let's get into this. The first store that I went to was a Dollar Tree, and I was only specifically looking for one thing, and that was these tabletop spheres that are new this year. They have, to me, I get a vibe of like an acorn or a pine cone, and I thought these would just be wonderful sitting amongst fall decor, adding a little pop of white. And these could also be used for every day, but just giving me that pine cone and fall vibe, and that's why I got these. And I went to 5 stores and never could find them. And then fortunately for me, I have a brand new Dollar Tree store that opened up, and jackpot, there they were. All right, the next store that I went to was Michael's. And Michael's has a sale on candles. So I have purchased 3 of these candles. They were $3.33 a piece, so that's 3 for $9.99. And I chose autumn apple, pomegranate cider, and this is for you, Michelle. We talked about this on my Facebook account. If you'd like to join me on Facebook, please, we'd be happy to have you there. I posted an image of this candle that I had found in an ad for Michael's, and it's entitled Flannel and Football. Yes, I bought it, Michelle, because I made a little joke about it that I would assume that this would smell like sweat and defeat, and we had a laugh over it. But actually, not quite sure what it smells like, but it's very pleasant. And so you know what? I purchased that one as well. So I had 3 of their new candles this year from Michael's. Now, lastly at Michael's, something I'd also seen in an ad, were some of their fall charger plates, and I like this one. And I wanted 2 of these because I hang charger plates in my kitchen, and for fall, I thought these would just make a wonderful addition. Now, here's a quick tip. If you don't know or don't have an idea on how to hang a charger plate on any wall, what I simply do, and I'll show you using this one, is I simply take a piece of floral wire and I make a hook, hot glue it to the back, and this easily hangs on any hook, 3M, command strip, anything of your choosing, and it works very, very well. The final brick and mortar store that I visited was Home Goods, and I was so happy that I found these wheat bundles. I missed out on these last year and was so happy to find that they had them again this year. The one on my right is 26 inches tall, and the one on my left is 19 inches tall. And for $20 here and $17 here, I don't think they could be beat. And they look wonderful inside your fall vignettes, because I've already been playing around with them. But that's it for the brick and mortar stores, but that's not it for this video, because now we're going to move on to my online shopping. If you've been watching this channel for a while, you know that I'm a very big fan of the home decor of Valerie Parhill. Now, Valerie Parhill can be found at QVC, and I simply love her home decor and her seasonal decor. And so I purchased this year from the Valerie Parhill collection this set of 3 candle holders. And as I've spoke to you before in a previous video, which I will link to in the description box down below, how candle holders can be used for candle holders, but they can also be used as pedestals, lifters, and risers to display your home decor. And I needed some new ones this year, so I purchased these in this natural tone because I think appropriate for fall. Now, besides the 3 candle holders, I also purchased a set of her 2 of her lifters in the natural tone as well. These are very reminiscent because they're exactly the same as the everyday ones that I have here that you've seen in a previous video. This is just part of the collection. They also come in a few other colors as well. These I mostly use for every day, but again, I needed some for fall, and so I got those. Also from her collection, she has a lot of wonderful objects that light up your home. I purchased this set of 3 mercury glass pumpkins. These pumpkins do light up. They have a 6-hour timer, 6 hours on, 18 hours off, and I will show you how I've incorporated these into my decor later in the video. I then also purchased this beautiful, beautiful basket weave pumpkin. I just think this pumpkin is just gorgeous. I love the texture of it, and it just spoke to me, and I just really like that one as well. Now, one more item that she has that I purchased, it is also an item that lights up with the timer, is this beautiful lantern. This is her first 6-sided lantern. She has several lanterns. This one, I just really liked the shape of this, and yes, I wanted it, and so there it is. As I said, it too lights up. Later on in the video, I will definitely show you the 3 pumpkins and 2 of the candle holders and how I have used them in my decor. For more great information on how to style your home, check out these previous episodes shown here. Remember to like, comment, and share on these videos, and to make sure you see the next new episode, hit the subscription button and the notification bell, and you will be good to go. As always, bye for now.